So recently I was sent the ML100R. This is a GODOX light, and it's a very cool light. I've been using it for my background in my main studio, and I was prompted to do a software update on the app. And when I did the software update, I don't know if it didn't finish or what happened, but now it just won't turn on. And so I reached out to the company or the person who sent it to me, and they said, here's the instructions on how to do it. And I tried all the troubleshooting stuff I could find personally online, so we're going to give this a try. And I wanted to do it while I'm here on camera, and I'm going to read the instructions word for word and try it, and we'll see if it actually works. So it says, first of all, enter recovery mode. So you got to press and hold both the power button and the mode button while simultaneously plugging in the power cable. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to do that. Oh yeah, okay, already I'm getting something on the screen. I was not getting anything on the screen whatsoever, so this is already a good sign. So now it says, once you do that, connect via the app. So open the app, create a new scene, and tap the plus icon. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go add scene, and we'll just do it this way. Okay, so now I'm going to create a whole new scene, and then I'm going to hit the plus button and do a Bluetooth add and add a new device. Okay, so I guess it's going to be Bluetooth add. Oh, look at that, perfect. Pops right up on my screen. So I'm going to add this. This is great. Select the device, confirm that you're adding. It's saying that it's pairing successfully. And then I'm going to do the firmware update. So let's see if it now needs, okay, let's see. So, okay, so now it's saying it needs an update. So now I'm updating it. All right, so that's going to work. So if you had that problem, good news is your camera is not bricked, or your light rather is not bricked up. You just have to follow those steps. And just be sure to keep the app open and don't mess around while it's updating the firmware. I think that's probably where I messed up. So this is great news. I didn't lose a light, and now it is updating. Hope this helps.